A lot of producers think that they have a problem attracting artists, but I'm going to show you exactly why that's not the issue, and it's simply a marketing problem. So what most producers do is go ahead and post content, wait for artists to reach out. Step number 3, sell them and make money. And the main reason why this doesn't work as effectively as we want is because not a lot of artists reach out. On my producer account, I have over 8,000 followers and I only get about 5 to 6 reach outs a month. So I'm gonna show you the main way to fix this. So what we wanna do instead is this. So number 1, you go ahead and post the content. Step 2 is reach out to anybody who likes, comments, or follows. And you may say this is invasive, but you just reach out and say, hey, thanks for showing love on my post. Yo, thanks for the follow, bro. That's it. Instead of waiting for them to say, I wanna buy beats, what we wanna do is this. Are they releasing new music? What kind of beats are they looking for that project? I have some that would be a perfect fit. They say send the beats to the email. What you want to do instead is get them onto a quick call, figure out exactly what they want, determine whether or not they want to work with you specifically. I get them onto a Zoom call, and instead of selling them something for $50, I sell them something for $500. And if you want my script for free, then I want to send you that and a bunch of other resources. DM me the word script and I'll send everything right over.